Have you ever been driving down the highway, looked over at a massive dump truck or a cement mixer, and noticed something strange? Those giant wheels are spinning. The heavy body is shaking. Everything looks normal until you spot it. One full row of tires isn't touching the road at all. They're floating, spinning in midair, like a ghost wheel riding alongside the truck. For a second, your brain panics. Is something broken? Is the suspension gone? Or does this look like a glitch straight out of a video game? But that floating wheel isn't an accident. It's actually one of the smartest engineering tricks on the road. Roads look tough, but they have limits. Concrete and asphalt can handle pressure until they can't. Put too much weight on one small spot, and the road doesn't bend. It breaks. That's why governments enforce strict axle weight limits. It's not just about how heavy the truck is overall. It's about how that weight is spread. Think about walking on deep snow. High heels. You sink instantly. Snowshoes. Your weight spreads out, and you stay on top. That's exactly what that extra set of wheels is for. It's called a lift axle. When a dump truck is fully loaded, sometimes carrying over 20 tons of gravel, 2 or 3 axles just aren't enough to handle that weight legally. So the driver flips a switch. Massive airbags inflate. The floating axle drops down and meets the road. Suddenly, the truck has snowshoes. The load spreads across more tires. Road pressure drops. And the truck can drive legally without crushing the asphalt beneath it. But if more wheels are better, why lift them up at all? Because money talks. More tires on the road means more friction. More friction means more fuel burned. And truck tires cost hundreds of dollars each. After unloading, those extra wheels are just wasting fuel and rubber. So the driver lifts them. Fuel efficiency goes up, and even toll costs can drop. But there's one final, critical reason for the lift axle: turning. Trucks are long machines. When too many fixed axles stay on the ground, the rear wheels don't roll smoothly. They get dragged sideways across the road. This is called scrubbing. It shreds tires, stresses the frame, and makes tight turns a nightmare. By lifting the extra axle, the wheelbase shortens. The truck can pivot smoothly through city streets and construction sites without destroying itself. So next time you see a truck with a ghost wheel floating in the air, remember, it's not broken. It's adapting, balancing physics, road laws, and business costs in real time. If you enjoyed this hidden piece of engineering history, hit like and subscribe to Simple Things, Surprising Histories. Thanks for watching.